head coach of the Defence Force football team, Devon Jocelyn. On the floor to you.
Coach, not the result that you want, especially the fact that you went up early. Can you take us through the game?
I think we start well, we score a goal, and the game was pretty much even. I think they was really fortunate with the equalizer. It was a handball, right? But no technology, no VAR. And that is football, so we have 2 games in the group remaining, and if we get the 6 points, we will qualify for the semi-final. So we'll be looking forward to those 2 games.
What was really surprising by the result after taking that second minute lead?
Of course. But that is football. I think we had some good moments, but we didn't capitalize on it. I think in the extra time, we had a brilliant chance who fell for the skipper and he hit it over bar. But that is football. I think Cavaliers, in the moments, they took the opportunities, and credit to them. I can't fault my players. You know, as I said before, we have 2 games remaining, and if we get 6 points when we get the 6 points from the 2 games, we go on to the semi-finals.
Coach, on the performance, what's your thoughts on the team performance tonight? As I said, 2 goals conceded, errors that were in it, but overall performance on the team. What are the good stuff you take from it?
I think sometimes when you lose, you learn more than when you win, and we could have been better defensively, especially on the second goal, but I wouldn't fault my players. I think it's just going back, working on the errors, and preparing for our game next week.
Cavalier coach spoke before the game at just now about how important controlling Molino was going into this game. Do you feel the Defence Force got the best game out of Kevin?
I think he was good. As I said, pretty much with the last kick of the game, we could have equalized. So that is football. You know, fortunate tonight, Cavaliers get the win, but I can't fault my players for anything.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time.